Hey guys, and welcome back. So just wanted to make a quick video update about the Mega WordPress All My Items bundle, which is discounted 50% right now. So from 500 bucks it is 250, 249 actually. So if you want to grab all the plugins that I created and also all the plugins that I will create in the future and which will be published here on Code Canyon, then you can grab now this great occasion and get the full bundle from CodeRevolution, which includes all my plugins. So if you scroll down on this page, you will see here all the plugins in chronological order. So these were created actually in this order and all were added to this bundle. So this bundle started around $50 back in 2017 when it was created. So the creation date, it's actually 2016. It was around $50 and it was containing only around 5 plugins. So it contained these 5 or 6 plugins. So since then I built up this bundle and now it contains over 100 plugins. So it is a really great bargain because you will get 100 plugins for the $249 price, which is very cheap for 100 plugins, and also all the plugins that will be published by me on Code Canyon in the future will be also added to this bundle without any extra charge. So this promotion will last until August 10th. So on Tuesday, August 10th is the last day of this promotion. So you will have time until then to get the bundle at this discounted price. So yeah, go ahead guys and check the discounted price on this bundle because it is really worth it. You will get all the plugins that I created, including Newsomatic, Echo RSS, FBomatic to post to Facebook or to import Facebook posts, Crawlomatic, the scraper, Youtubomatic to import YouTube videos, Wordpressomatic to post from another WordPress to a WordPress and counterwise, the Cronus post expirator and many more. So I will link the plugins in this video's description, you can check them, and also will link the mega bundle in this video's description. So go ahead guys and check it. It is really a bargain now. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.